So this is the 36 inches 2.1 sound bar, model 1000438851 by On. So this 2.1 sound bar has two speakers plus a built-in subwoofer. So it's supposed to have a 240 watt peak power, Dolby audio. It's a simple setup with any Roku TV, and you can connect with Bluetooth wireless technology and streams audio from all your devices. So I'm unboxing it for you so you can see how it is if you plan to buy it and not sure. So as soon as you open it, it only contains that one 36-inch sound bar with it has a quick start guide attached to the top, so just in case you have it there if you lose the manual. But that's how it looks. It feels pretty sturdy for the price, so it doesn't feel like plasticky. It's like nice feel to it. That's the bottom part, and that's the part at the back. There's all those are where you connect the wires and the HDMIs, and these are the accessories that are included. So you have the cable, the HDMI, the power supply cable. You have the cable to connect to the back, which is the optical cable, and you can connect with USB as well. There's a wall mount at the back already, so all you need to do is to attach the screws on the wall, and that wall mount, you don't have to do anything with it. And it comes with a manual and quick start guide. So basically that's all you get for this 2.1 sound bar, two speakers plus built-in subwoofer by On. ONN, On Blast. So again, what's included is the sound bar. You have the remote control. The AAA batteries is also included. You have the 3.5 mm aux cable, the optical cable, because some sounds, I know Vizio doesn't have the optical cable included, and you have the power cable, and you have the HDMI cable, the wall mounting kit, the wall mounting template, the quick start guide, and the product guide. And that's the back and the top view. So that's the control where you control the volume, and that's the back where you connect whatever you choose, if you have the optical cable or the HDMI. That's where it goes, in the power supply cable as well. So here is I have the non-Roku TV and trying to set it up, see if it works with HDMI or the optical cable. So this is my Vizio TV. So the instruction says that if you have a non-Roku TV, you can change the sound setting into output to PCM. So that's what I'm doing. So it's supposed to work. And so make sure to set the digital audio output to PCM and turn on the HDMI ARC on your TV. So that's what I'm doing right now. And basically you just go to your settings and then your sounds, and just find that the digital audio output, make sure that it shows PCM on it, which I did. And just hit it back when you're done. So now I'm gonna show you the connection to at the back. I'm plugging in the power cable. So that's the power cable that's included with it. Getting that in for you. just push it like really hard, 'cause it does go in tightly there. It's good. And then I'm going to show you, well, right now I'm trying in the HDMI and see if that actually works in a non-Roku TV. So the HDMI is included, so you don't have to look for it. It's all included with the purchase as one of the accessories. So HDMI. That's the HDMI. They have it wrapped as well. So just take the wrap from it. And just push it in as well. It should be easy. It's just I always try to make sure that it works. Awesome. So now I'm gonna use the remote control that's included with the sound bar. So I'm just placing in the battery that came with it. The remote is a little, it's not as plastic as the Vizio one, but it's a little bit sturdy for a remote, so that's good. So basically you just follow that plus negative sign to connect the remote. So now as soon as you're done, you can turn on, you can control your sound bar with the remote control that's included. So right now I've actually tried, and the HDMI does not work. So it looks like it does not work on this non-Roku TV, which I'm using a Vizio TV. So again, it does not work. So I'm gonna try the optical cable next. So again, HDMI on the non-Roku TV with this on blast 2.1 soundbar does not work. So I'm taking off the HDMI now, and I'm gonna try to see if the optical cable that came with the purchase works. So just unpacking the optical cable, and then as soon as I was done connecting that optical cable from the TV to the sound bar, I went to YouTube to find a song that's not copyrighted. So there's an artist that lets you use his song without any copyright. So that's Liquid, Liqwyd. So thank you, Liquid. So I'm trying to get that in for you, but it looks like it's not working as well. So again, it's a no for the optical cable. I might just be missing some settings, but again, optical cable is not working on this one. So I'm trying the Bluetooth connection right now because the HDMI and the optical cable does not work with a non-Roku TV, which is I was using the Vizio. So I'm using my phone, the Samsung Galaxy S3. So you go to the settings of your phone and go to network and then connection, Bluetooth connection. Make sure that your on blast sound bar is turned on, USB, and click on the Bluetooth. On one of the buttons, it will tell you if it's set to Bluetooth. Then once it's set to Bluetooth, you go to your phone settings and make sure that you are pairing the Bluetooth connection to your on 2.0 soundbar. So this was previously set up to my Vizio soundbar. So all you need to do is you have to find the name of the new soundbar, which is this one is the on. So I'm clicking on that. Make sure, because it wouldn't work. It didn't work the first time. So you make sure that you click on that and it will say pair. As soon as it's paired, you will see that it's on the top. That means, and it's in blue. So that means it's now connected, both of them the soundbar, and your phone is now connected. So again, I'm going to YouTube and finding the non-copyright song by Liquid. So again, credits to Liquid for making me use his songs to give you a, the sound that the on blast Soundbar 2.0 makes. So it could be a little loud, make it loud, a little bit louder. So just bear with me. But that's the controller, the remote control. So you have the bass control as well as you can set it for movie. There's only setting for movie, and then the standard setting is there. There's not much in the remote control.